In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Relight AI tool in Luminar Neo. This feature is designed to fix uneven lighting by letting you brighten or darken the foreground and background separately so your photos look balanced and natural. It's especially handy for portraits where the face is in shadow, landscapes with bright skies and dark foregrounds, or any scene where parts of the image are too bright or too dim. Under the hood, Relight AI builds a 3D depth map of your photo so it understands what's near and what's far, and applies lighting changes more intelligently than a simple global exposure adjustment. Start by launching Luminar Neo and opening the photo you want to edit, then switch to the Edit tab. Pick an image that could benefit from targeted lighting and take a moment to note which areas you want to bring forward and which you'd prefer to tone down. Next, look to the right-hand panel and scroll until you find Relight AI in the Creative section. Click it to reveal the controls. You'll see three main sliders that do most of the heavy lifting. Brightness. Near controls the lighting on elements closer to the camera. Slide it to the right to lift shadows on faces or foreground objects, and to the left to subtly darken them if they feel too hot. Make small, deliberate moves, and watch edges and skin tones to keep things believable. Brightness. Far adjusts the lighting in the background, such as distant buildings, trees, or the sky. Move it right to bring detail back into a dull background, or left to tame overly bright areas. Use it to balance your scene so the background supports the subject rather than competing with it. Depth defines where the transition between near and far occurs. Drag it left if you want more of the scene treated as foreground, or right to extend the background region. Move this slider slowly while looking at how the light blends across midground elements. The goal is a smooth transition with no abrupt shifts. For extra refinement, open Advanced Settings. The halo reduces the glowing outline that can appear around high-contrast edges after strong relighting. Zoom in as you adjust, and stop as soon as the edges look clean. Warmth. Near lets you warm or cool the foreground lighting to match your subject's tone, while warmth. Far does the same for the background. Use these to harmonize color temperature across the scene. Warming a sunset foreground while slightly cooling a distant sky can create depth and mood without looking artificial. As you work, keep adjustments subtle and balanced. Periodically pause and assess the overall feel of the image. With Relight AI, you're guiding the viewer's eye, shaping light where it matters most. Once the foreground and background complement each other, you're done.